Hello everybody, welcome to another video. So friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use superior create in PubG Mobile. So watch the video till end and let me tell something about our language. So दोस्तों मैंने जो वीडियो बनाया था पहले उसमें जस्ट मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया था, मैंने एग्जैक्टली प्रूफ नहीं बताया था कि कैसे कर सकते हैं वो. So in this video I'm gonna show you with proof. Okay, first go to the superior create and you can see I have it here. Then click on combine. Yep, you can see here is the combine option. Then click on it. When you click on it, then you got the one coupon card. You can use this coupon card. First go to the shop and go to the create option. Let's find which box type create you got. Yep, this is, and click on open one. When you click on this, then you got some item. Wow, what the, this is my life. So hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, then please hit like button and subscribe our channel. So मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, फिलहाल के लिए इतना ही. बाय बाय.